Today's global demand for clean water is enormous. According to WHO in 2017, at least 2 billion people use contaminated water. Humans are the main cause of water pollution. Industrial waste, deforestation, pesticides in agriculture, and oil spills. One of the solutions to provide clean water is to treat it by filtering water. There are many different water filtration methods, such as boiling, filtration, distillation, chlorination. However, water purification in the past has been very difficult, and exporting a small amount of water requires the filtration process to be very hard and go through many stages. Understanding this extreme, we have meticulously researched and launched a new model of water purifier. Simple but more effective. The easy way to get safe water is now simple. Just press the button and we'll do the rest. Avocado Water Filter. Visit www.avocado.com online store or go to avocado chain stores all over the world to get the best products.